What is going on, Shib Army? Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember to subscribe, to like, to leave a comment down below because that helps this trend and helps more people see Shiba Inu. And that does a great job of adding new investors. It's very important. But the important thing to talk about right now is a Shiba whale has just moved $276 million worth of Shib into self-custody, which is basically taking about 24.9 trillion Shib out of circulation. And that is an excellent move overall for the price action, and we're going to check that out right now. As you can see right here, Sentiment Whale reports that a whale transferred 24.9 trillion Shiba Inu tokens from an exchange to a self-custody wallet. Total value of the SHIB is a whopping 276 million. The wallet in question also holds 992 Ethereum. Also, they've been accumulating that Ethereum since March the 1st. So this is a big whale out here making a big move, holding on to SHIB. Now, you might also remember that April 12th has been the announced date for the Ethereum upgrade to Shangapella. And if that's the case, then they might just be holding it for a short period of time. Now, they might hold the SHIB for a much longer period of time. And that's going to be great for the price action. Now, when we come over here and we look at the price action, we're not really seeing that price action start to cause a run yet. We've seen a little bit in the last few hours. Remember, I told you that this is probably not your buy zone. This is your, you've seen the dip come down here, and we did see this big wick. So we did expect a little bit of positive price action, and the market has been very positive for the last little while as we move up. But until we get into this red box right here, and we're at the bottom of the red box. Now, if we bust into this, then that's a spot for accumulation, especially if you want to kind of realize a little bit of profit over a short time. Because if we get into this box here, then we're talking about 1060. It'll run up to 1140, 1160, and that's almost a 10% increase. So fairly big move if you're looking to make any kind of play, and a quick flip. And if you're looking as a trader for that, then it's perfect opportunity. But let's wait for it to get into this box for confirmation. And yeah, then we'll make that play. That's exactly what I intend to do, by the way. I was hoping that we would see it kind of dip into this area. Now, I know people don't really like that, but it is good for volume to get that trading going. So always an opportunity, always looking for that opportunity. Let's talk about Bone for just a second. You can see right here, Bone has had, in the same period of time, last 5 hours, a little bit of a reversal. Now, as with both of these, you're not seeing a magnificent sort of move. So what does that mean when the whale moves the 276 million worth of SHIB over there? Well, it doesn't mean too much yet. What it really signifies is that somebody is willing to park a lot of tokens on the sidelines to wait and see how the market plays out. Now, I do think, again, I said this yesterday, and we don't see much price action off of it, but I said this yesterday, I think that Bone needs a little bit of, it needs more time to pump, because we're just looking at the beta, and people are not as excited about the beta as they would be the news that it's coming to the main net. So I hope that makes perfect sense to you, and you understand what I'm saying here. I'm just kind of indicating that we should see a move. It's just going to be drawn out a little bit longer. But if the market is moving and the market is in a positive state, then by virtue of that wrapped ETH pairing up here, we're probably going to continue to see some kind of move. So that being said, guys, drink. This is a great opportunity to accumulate. I think right now, especially Bone. I think at $1.21, Bone is probably in that real buy zone right now. I would not be buying a whole bag of SHIB at this point, and I want to be honest with you. I want to see it get into that pocket, because then you know it's going to have a big move, right? And you are looking at places for accumulation, and you're buying on 5 straight green candles. That's not a good move. You want a couple of red candles, because even if you're just trying to DCA and accumulate a bigger bag, you want to do that at the bottom, because then it's easier for you to see and realize profits. And when you're looking at it and it's easier to just look at your bag and see the profit, then it's easier for you to hodl. And it's very simple. So it's not financial advice. My name is Believes. I am always right. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate each and every one of you. And we will talk to you again very, very soon. And remember,
I'm looking for the good life, sitting on top of the world. I wanna be shining like diamonds and pearls. I want you to go there with me, girl.